How to create Snapchat account on Android. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. So open up your Snapchat application on your screen. And once you open it up, you can look out for the sign up option on your screen, and you should be following these 5 steps in order to create up your account. The first step is entering up your name that you would like for your Snapchat. So go ahead and enter up a name for yourself. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and tap on agree and continue. Once that is done, in the section, you need to enter up a birthday. So go ahead and enter up your birthday, and you may select up your year, month, and your day and continue with the process. Once that is done, you need to select up your username. So go ahead and write in your username. You can tap on change my username if you want your own customization and tap on continue after that. And the last step you need to do is just go ahead and enter up a password. So just go ahead and set up a password for yourself and then continue with the process. And you just need to go on with the verification process for entering up your account, and that's it. And once your account is created, you can just go ahead and add up your friends and create snaps. And that is how you basically create up a Snapchat account for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.